Welcome to my pond. Every good pond's base is a good water holding container. For this one, it's an all green sandbox that is only about 3 inches deep. You can imagine that makes it hard to keep topped up during the summer when it's really hot. I just have to, sometimes I have to refill it with a whole watering can full of water every single day. As you can tell, the pond is actually half dry right now. I'll have to refill it later. So I try to go for something deeper, but generally I don't have any issue refilling this. So I put some rocks in the bottom of this one, just some river rocks just from a nearby creek. And I got some regular plant pots and made some holes in them to make DIY aquatic plant pots. Then I also planted some different sedges, lizard tails, and water primroses is here because water primroses have beautiful yellow flowers and attract lots of different bees. Some duckweed to cover the surface, and I introduced some mosquito fish in here. Let me see if I can catch one. There we go, that's a mosquito fish. They've been reproducing really well in here. And also a few goldfish. Just to make it prettier and to improve the water circulation, I also have just a regular solar pump. Not that complicated. Solar panel has corroded a little bit, but it still does just fine. And of course I have this long tube attached to bring water up. So then I can place it on a stick or a plant and it can make a nice trickling sound, like a fountain, when the water hits the water. I also have some bricks. This was supposed to be a bird bathing brick, but it just became a plant brick. I also have a little bird bathing area there, which also became a new plant growing area. And I have 2 logs. I have this one big main log where a bunch of herb william has sprouted. Love this log, the frogs love it too. And if we will go closer, I have this another submerged log. The pump tube used to go through there to make it look like water is coming out of the log, but I just stopped doing that, and the log is just rotting in the water. It's a hollow. It's just literally just skin from a skin of a branch. So it technically isn't a log, but it's still used to serve its purpose, and it's still serving its purpose as a hiding spot for the fish and sometimes for the frogs. And that's all there is to it. Just a simple container that holds water. If you're curious about what this is a sandy bank for bees because I had some cellophane bees nesting here. And I also have another sandy bank for other bees that is a little more compacted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. I just finished recording the video and a tiny little green frog showed up on his favorite log. Look how adorable he is. If you build a pond like this, you're gonna have a lot of these little guys. And big guys too. Speaking of that, I actually had a few American bullfrogs in here too. I had a few green frogs, I had a few leopard frogs, and I also had a few tadpoles, so this has been absolutely great for frogs.